Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll be showing you the ways to link your bank account or credit card to Coinbase. So to link your bank account or credit card to Coinbase, you have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to make sure that your account is verified, and then to begin with, go and log in into your Coinbase account. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now from the home page itself, you could go and select wallet, and when you select wallet, it's going to take you to the page where you can go ahead and add your payment source. So as per the options, you'll have bank account, credit card or debit card selected accordingly. And if you've selected the bank account, you have to manually enter in your account information, and then you need to just go ahead and provide in all of the information that has been asked, and you'll have successfully linked your bank account within a couple of days. So whenever you're linking a bank, you might have to verify it, and the verification step and the verifying your bank account is quite different than the other usual procedure. What you have to do is you'll be receiving two small deposit onto your account, which you have to go ahead and enter in that. This procedure may take some time, so you have to wait patiently, and after you receive the verification code or the two small deposit, you have to enter in, and you'll be able to link your bank account or credit card to your Coinbase. So that is how you can link your bank account or credit card to Coinbase. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.